Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how you can use a text box for both input and output. Well, welcome to MT Tutorial Hub. My name is Mike Tibello. Now pay a keen interest and as I take you through. Now first and foremost, you need to locate your Visual Basics 6.0. Yes, look at it here. Launch it. Look at this standard exe, then open it. Then you need to first of all design. Here in this very program, I need 2 text boxes and two labels and 2 command buttons. I said I need 2 texts. This is my first text coming up. I need 2 identical text boxes. Then you select both of them. You can select by both of them by pressing down your control key and clicking on the other one. It has now selected. Then you can make same width, then same height. Can make them both same thing. Then I now select, drag my label here. Okay. Then I need to draw another one here too. Then I need to change the caption name. I've removed it, then I need to change it as second value. Then the first one is first value. 1 st value. Then I can make them equal by selecting, press down your control key. You make same height, but then what is remaining now is my control. That's the command button. Need 2 command button. This is 1. Then I still add another one here. The first one will serve as the calculate. Okay, let me make them something. Width, make height the same thing. They're all the same thing now. Let me increase the font size more so that it will be a little bit bold. Bold first value. First value, then the second value should be bold. Need to correct my value. It should be E. Then this, I should erase this because it's annoying when you run a program and you still see them there. I have to halt it, then click on the text box, then erase this, erase the second one too. Mind you, the name still remained text1. I didn't change anything. What I removed is just the caption name text. So the ones that I have removed, we doesn't use it in referencing during the program, so it doesn't have any effect on the program. So it's just a caption, as the name implies, just for heading, just for us to identify. Now here we now change the caption name for the command 1 and command 2 respectively. Now this one, change it to enter, then the font size, make it bold, font to bold. This one we make it, we change the caption name, see, look at it, caption, to cancel. The font, change it, bold it. Okay, so there are a lot of things that you can change. Auto redraw, you can change it if you so wish to true. See, you cannot stretch it because of auto redraw. You cannot stretch it during the running time. Look at it, it remains the same size as it is. You can also change the back color. If you look, you see, change the back color. Now what you need to do now is to double click on the enter, this button, this command button. Mind you, I haven't changed the name for this. The name of this button still remains command 1, and likewise this, the name still remains command 2. Likewise all this, I didn't change the name. Conventionally we're supposed to change the name before this. For the sake of this class, for the sake of this lesson, we are going to adopt it as it is. We don't need to change it, but conventionally we need to change it. It must start with a prefix, 3-letter prefix. If it's label, it should start with LBL. Now I can now double click on this command 1, then in between here, then you can type in your code, what you want the program to actually perform for you. Now first of all, you have to declare what you want to use in the program. Now I have a variable which I want to declare, dim a as integer. Then a should be collected from val, should be collected from text1 dot text, which is our first text box. Which one is the first text box that we are talking about? This one. Okay. Now whatever value you've entered from a text one, then it will be saved in A, in a value named what? In a memory named A. Now we continue. A, you can have A plus 1. Whatever you see A is the value that you have entered here. Whichever value you enter here, that's the value of A, and it will add 1 to the value. Okay. Now what remains now is the output. Our output now will now be text 2, because we want to display our output in text 2. Text2.text, then assignment, then A. So whichever value that we've entered, it will add 1 to it, then text2 now will now output the result here. So this is it, just a 3-line program, very easy. Okay, let's try running it and see what we have there. Okay, can you see? Enter your first value, enter the second. Okay, enter the first value. This is our output. Actually, the second value is our output. We don't need to enter that. We don't need to enter this. Assuming we've entered 100 here, then in the output there we should see 101 if the program runs well. Okay, I think there is a mistake. There is an error which we need to correct it. Method or data member not found. Okay, go back and correct it. Okay, look at this text. It's not well spelled, then we have to recorrect it. But meanwhile, I need to still recorrect something on the design. You need to halt this from here. Halt. Right click on this form here. Then click on view object. Then this one I should rename it to output. Then output caption for clarity. Output. Okay, we can now run our program again. Here we go. Enter 20. Display result. Here you see 21. Whatever value we've entered in the first one here, then it will add it up with 1 here, then it will output it in A. Then text 2 now will have the result, as we can see from here. Then this one works well. What is now remaining is this. As you can see, it's not doing anything. Then we need to write the program behind, which will help it to work. Once we toggle this, then it should be able to cancel the program. Okay, here we go. Right click, view the object. Then from here, you double click on the cancel. Then in between here, you write end, just simple, just a one word. It's actually a function that ends a program, that cancels a program, or whenever you click on it, it automatically halts it. Great. We run again and see. Enter your value 30. What do we have? 31st. Let's try to cancel the program, cancel. Then we need to add some things there again. I think that will help. We need to add an access key here, an access key here too, which you can use Alt key to access it. Now you now move to caption, click on this, move to caption. I want C, E or L. Let me make it L. I'll now add ampersand behind a shifted. It's actually a symbol in a shifted character 7. There is an ampersand. Now under it you have an underline here, which whenever your program runs, you can access it using Alt L. Likewise for our enter, I need to put an alternate key for E there. That means behind our E, I will now put ampersand. Then we now have an access key. As you can see, it's underlined, meaning you can access it using an Alt key. Great, I run it again. Use an Alt key now, cancel the program, Alt L, that cancel the program. Run again, use Alt E to run the program. No value, then it will display 1 in our output. That's correct. Okay, at 100, enter, you have 101, meaning the program is actually working. Now if this has helped, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you very much and see you next time.